What's up, KTM? Can you hear us? What's up, 23M? I'm wondering because we just got new mics. Can you hear me clear and can you hear Jay? Sweet. Okay, you can hear him? Okay. Jay, say something, but not very loud. Say something.
Hey, everybody.
Can y'all hear him good?
It's nice and loud there, I think.
Careful, because you're right in the... Your mouth is right at the mic, babe.
Fish number 14 for the year. And we really had 3 days of fishing. We were on the lake 2 days ago, and water temperature of the lake was 56 and a half below. We did catch 3 fish out there. 4 fish. But some decent spots for 15. Two smaller ones and 12 and 14. Have to be careful now, they can fly up this way.
Thank you for the follow. What just happened?
Forgot, remember I got it hung there the other day? Look how high the hook point looks. I need to bend that back down a little bit.
Awesome. User 5. Fishing's it. It's the real meditation. No, Melissa, we have relocated to Alabama. Might want to tell them what you're doing there, babe.
Nope, let me guess. So I bought myself we got a video out there of stripping line, and got a couple videos of us sharpening hooks. And I used to have one of these little tools a long time ago. You can hear it running. It's a little Berkeley line stripper. Put your line in one end, push the button, and it'll peel it right off. You'll be done in 10-15 seconds. But it also has a little sharpening stone right here to sharpen hooks, and I noticed this hook wasn't in great shape, so you got to kind of be gentle with it or you'll just tear up your hook, but it will sharpen your hooks right up.
We're fishing for bass in our local little pond. Jay's already been here one day and he caught a few of them. What's up, Hellboy? Welcome in.
Water's really clear. I might go to a pile.
User 50 says the bass are biting June bug lunkers.
June bug what?
Lunker.
Lunker bite?
Hey, Carly.
Hello.
Well, glad to see you here.
Alright, I'm gonna put a really light worm on it for a scoop here. I thought these fish would be actually laid up against this side, the wind blowing, and the sun hitting it all afternoon. But sometimes they ain't real well.
Carly, it won't be long. We'll get to see you soon.
It won't be long till I hold you in my arms. Alright, got a little fathead robo worm on. I'm going to try to get in some of this brush that's here. See what happens. The water's down a little bit in this thing. It was up last.
No, KTM, we live in Alabama now. I heard the red tide was rough. Oh, Chattanooga. All right. We're in the town of the home of Lake Martin. Us too, Carly. You'll get to see our new homestead, Carly. I hope you like camping.
Oh, yeah. About to be camping. Weeds are growing down there already. Look at all that.
Yeah.
Look how much grass is already growing in this pond. So the water's definitely warmer up in these ponds. So that's too heavy. I'm going to go a little bit later.
Yeah, KTM, we lost everything in the hurricane. So the market's too crazy in Florida. We couldn't afford it anymore.
That story's over.
But we are. But people still don't. A lot of people still don't know what happened.
Don't know.
They think we're in the Gulf still.
Oh, no. And listen, I almost said I wish, but I don't. We're in the next adventure. Next chapter of life.
Yep.
And we're having fun.
Oh, thank you, Bob.
Today we just finalized a deal on a 45 horsepower tractor to take care of our land and get us building a place to live.
Yeah, thank you for the roses. Yeah, you don't have any socks on.
Mama's out here living the lap of luxury.
Yeah, got me a chair. What's that, Robin? Airboat. Oh, thank you for the gifts. Appreciate that. I'm not even going to try to say your name. Thank you, Bob. Here, check out the little turtle.
Old school technique.
Or June bug finesse, wacky setup.
I didn't bring any. Maybe I did. Maybe I do have a wacky breed.
We lost our home and a lot of our belongings. All of our furniture, our beds, clothes. Oh my gosh, so much clothes. We pretty much just had the fishing gear, the tools. We tried to save as much as we could, but
there wasn't a lot of good stuff left.
Oh, no worries. It's redirected our lives, and it's fine. We just going with it, going with the flow, seeing what else life's gonna give us. But we did end up buying land here in Alabama. So we're about to do some homesteading, building, and you guys can come along and watch that too. Our first thing that we're going to put up is our mailbox. And then a garden coop after the tractor gets there.
Should be getting our tractor delivered Monday, and I'll probably be calling tomorrow to look at getting water and electric run out there.
And actually, instead of chickens, we're gonna actually do Peking ducks. Why did you choose there? Why did we choose here?
The flow of the world.
Yeah, we really weren't going to choose here. It just kind of happened that way. Came over this way, and the market's a lot better here. Couldn't afford Florida. The market went up way too high. We just couldn't afford it. But we were trying to look, I think we were going to try to go to Gunnersville, closer to Gunnersville Lake, but we stopped in here looking at a temporary place to rent just so we can have a roof over our heads, and we ended up really liking this area. Plus it's got Lake Martin, and it's a 44,000 acre man-made lake. We were on it yesterday. It was so rough.
Yesterday was a rough one.
It was crazy.
They were calling for, the highest was 12, 13 mile per hour winds is what they called for. They were like 28 when we came back across the lake, and it was rough. We got soaked.
We actually put our life jackets on.
It made me a little more angst up than I wanted to be.
Yeah. I said, I've never even been on the ocean. It was like that. It was kind of nervy.
All right, I got an old school rig. I like to use this when fish aren't biting hard. It's just 2 small split shots and a rubber worm, usually a very small rubber worm. And this just tends to pick up a lot of fish, even fish that are kind of pressured or skittish, clear water. And I really like to drag this across points when I'm at a lake.
Oh, nice KTM. Oh, are you in South Dakota? 18 inches of snow? No, thank you.
Yeah. I don't need any more snow. I can go visit that.
Can you guys let me know, is Jay too loud? He's got a mic on him.
But it's kind of close to my...
Yeah. Is it too loud for you guys, or should he move it?
I'm usually so quiet.
Temperature today's probably 75, 80. Gosh, I bet it was close to 80 today here. We're central Alabama, so we're still going to get the heat. But we did get a winter. Hey, Brenda. My grandfather used to say, soak that worm.
Soak that worm. Soak it.
Okay, sounds good. They said it sounds good.
Cool.
There's a fish. Not so much.
He must have been a little dude too. I never say that. I always say the ones that got away were the big ones. Oh, it was a giant. Everybody you watch on TV or YouTube, they miss one. Oh, it was a giant. It was a 3-pounder. That was definitely a bite though, and that was right off the shore.
Oh, 90 in Florida, yeah, I'd say. It's 80 in Birmingham. Birmingham, you're not too far from us. Yeah, he was about to send that little fish back to his truck over there.
Birmingham.
It's probably a turtle, babe.
Guess it could have been.
-3 there. Oh no.
What'd you say?
-3 in South Dakota.
Woo!
Mm-mm.
Don't worry, the sun will come back.
Oh goodness, Brenda. Yeah, I was ripping lips. This is gonna be interesting to watch this video back. See if I'm talking over you.
Oh, when we're not. Yeah, because we can't hear each other through the mics, only in our outdoor voices.
Yeah. Well, there you go. Ice fishing works where there's ice.
A lot of cloud cover set in.
Perfect. Thank you, John Waters. Appreciate that.
I love some of y'all's names, man.
I know.
You guys do.
Some of them I can't pronounce. I'm not even going to try it. I will crucify it.
Definitely some weeds growing up in here. And I don't know a lot about this pond. I think I've only been here one other time. I did catch
You caught 2 here?
2 out of it. I had another one on and lost it. I lost one in that tree down there too.
Yeah. Sorry, battery went low. Yes, we have definitely done some. Jay's done a little bit of fly fishing. What's up, Jody? Glad you made it in. We were only gonna go on live for a little bit, see how our mics work. So,
Might have to put a flip.
yeah. Is the fishing different here?
A little. Casting is.
Well, the good thing is we're only 4 hours from the Gulf of Mexico, so we could still go and do some saltwater fishing. But yes, we are doing lake freshwater fishing. You got stripers and
Largemouth, spotted bass.
let me see if this is actually charging. Oh gosh, I'll be honest with you, I like the salt water. There's so many different species in the salt water. Hang on a second, guys. I gotta. Hold on 1 second. Gotta get this out. Yeah. I don't think that was supposed to go in there. Yep, that's true, Jody. We don't have to deal with the on and off of the red tide.
No, we just gotta deal with tornadoes.
Yeah, we had to deal with hurricanes there and tornadoes there.
Red tide for tornadoes.
Irish, we have not caught anything yet. We just got here and working on catching some bass.
Wish I had a thermometer to check the water. I know it's gotta be in 60s, but it's
Trying to see if this will actually charge the phone, but it's not showing that it's charging. Daggone it. Let me see.
big mosquitoes here.
Nope. I live beside the sea. We get pollock fish, or did you?
Pollock?
Is it pollock fish?
Pollock, I think one of the Alaskan fish.
Oh, okay. All right, baby, come on. Catch him one.
Bring them out, bring them out.
You can move on down if you want. I'll follow you.
Down here, a couple casts.
Hold on, I'm gonna. Ah! Sorry, you guys. Trying to put my phone in the holder so I can follow him. Right. Just dropping everything.
Might be a bed down there.
Yeah?
I don't see a fish on it, but these fish might have already spawned. I don't see a fish on it. Looks like there was a bed there though.
What's up, Southern Cowboy? Yeah, we tried to go live yesterday on Lake Martin, and we were in a cove area. What would you call it?
In a what?
Where we were yesterday, to where I lost service, all service.
We were back up a creek arm, and it starts getting steeper banks and.
But you caught 4 bass in there.
Yeah, out of the same cove. I think the spotted bass was just starting to move up. And normally the fish would have spawned around here by this time, or are definitely up and ready, but the weather's been so up and down and so cold, I don't think they've really spawned much on Lake Martin. Water temperature just started rising up again. Like I said, it was 57, 58 yesterday.
Thank you for the follow.
Can't believe didn't catch a fish around here. Hard to get in.
They need to do a pond cleanup.
Yeah, right. What are these fish? You not see any along here? Where's that at? Right off the tree. I don't know if that was a turtle that just went in.
Probably a turtle that was sitting on the limb.
Yep, there he came up. Look at that. Just let loose from the bottom. Grass, dead grass. Might have to hook this up. Hook it backwards so it doesn't touch as much weeds. If I come through the weeds here. There we go. What a beautiful day.
Maybe they're on the other side today.
Caught one off of that side. Actually, the best one I found. There's a lot of turtles in this little pond. Yeah, everywhere.
What's up, Andrew? Gulf Coast Bait and Tackle. All right, I'm gonna have to go get my chair. I knew he was gonna go further away. I need a drink first. I think ever since you guys have known us, my back has been terrible, so Mama has to bring a chair. Wish it wasn't like that, but it is. Let's go, baby. Oh, there's one. Ooh. Ooh, let's go. I can come that way. Sorry. Oh, made a splash. Wow, that one's nice.
Yeah, this is female. It's full of eggs.
Wow.
Look at that belly. Watch your hands. Look at the belly on that old girl.
And she's dark.
She's not long, but man, look at that gut full of eggs.
Heck yeah.
And look, right at the edge of her, right? See that dark spot in there?
Yeah.
She ate something. Look at it. I can move it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful Alabama largemouth. Look how thick she is. Pretty
Heck
girl,
yeah.
getting ready to have babies. I love it.
Whoa.
Got me
Got
soaked.
both of us
Damn
soaked.
That was cute.
That was
Now
real.
I'm going to have to put my shoes on because I'm going to slide all over the place. All right.
Awesome catch. Nice one, Jay.
Thank you, thank you.
That was
I was
beautiful.
about to give up on the worm and start throwing something else.
Yeah, she made a splash. She's a good one.
Yeah, it was pretty fish.
What's up, Mike? Road Dog. What's up,
I'm
guys?
just throwing a Robo worm. It's the brand. But this is only about 3/4 of one. I tore it apart. But this is Aaron's Magic color. It's like earthworm color on the bottom and a blue stripe and then a green pumpkin. And I really like that color. I use it a lot, especially when fish are finicky, clear water stuff. Yeah.
Heck yeah.
It's for you, baby.
Oh, is it mine? Thank you.
I'm gonna go put my shoes on. Keep everybody entertained for me. We'll see how far the mic goes.
Oh, yeah. Actually, you guys can tell me.
Look down and see how far
Talk to us at the truck. Make sure you talk to us and they'll tell us if they can hear you. Why, Ronnie? What's up, Beaver? Was that a speckled trout? That was a bass. We're in Alabama. Wonder if he'll remember to talk to y'all. Look at that. Ronnie and Beaver came in together. What is going on? All right, can you guys hear Jay? Can't hear him? Okay. Nope. All right, so that means that's too far distance for the mic. Okay. All right, but yeah, I ended up getting 2 mics to put on him so everybody can hear him clear. And especially if we're on the boat with all the wind and stuff. What's up, Ronnie? Yes, actually, I'm pretty happy with it. It's not Florida, but it is going to be we're working on making it exactly what we want it to be, which we have the 32 acres that we bought, and Jay just purchased a tractor, so we're going to start digging garden area, place to put our home. So we got a lot of work ahead of us, but pretty exciting. I think I'll be more excited when the weather is like springtime and beautiful, because we'll most likely be primitive camping out there for a while. He went to get his tennis shoes on. Oh gosh, yeah, we are so okay. I'm making it home. Making it our home. No matter where we go or what we do, we're gonna make the best of it, that's for sure. We're right behind, so right over here is called Russell Marine. So if anybody knows anything about the Alexander City, Lake Martin area of Alabama, you know who pretty much owns everything here, and their last name is Russell. I think the main Russell, he's pretty old now, but he owns, I think, 75% of Lake Martin, which is a 44,000 acre lake. All right, so they couldn't hear you when you was hollering at me. They could, yeah, you're not going to be able, yeah, you won't be able to.
That's 100 yards. I mean, that's still pretty good.
Yeah, especially when you take off on me at the pond. It's hard to keep up with this man. That's why we need to stay on the boat. You can't go far on the boat.
So you can see the rig a little better. It's just two small split shots.
Oh, okay.
See if you can see them. Two small split shots. I usually keep them pretty close together, but they'll slide sometimes. Got a regular straight, I think it's a 2/0 straight shank worm hook, or offset worm shank hook. And this is just a little
What Lily and Cole like to
yeah,
fish
it's a
with.
culprit ribbon tail. Yeah, even some of the ribbon.
Lily just popped in
Ah, Lily bug.
right when we was using.
Right when I'm hooking up the red culprit worm she loves so much.
Hi, Lily. We miss you so much.
She loves this worm, and in Florida, this color will smash them. Definitely.
He just caught a nice little bass. Culprit worms.
That was a robo worm that I caught on, but this is a culprit worm, and it's this small profile. They're really smaller diameter bait.
That's them. They're culprit worms.
This will come through the weeds better than that other one because it's got a fatter head. The other one has a fatter head.
How did he steal your fish?
See if there's another one where that one went. A good start. Teresa does it again.
Teresa, his
That's
pole.
number 14 for the year.
Yep, that's number 14.
And no, I'm not talking to you, Dan. I'm not even trying to keep your numbers.
Well, we haven't really been fishing a lot either, but I wanted to count how many he's caught for the year. We're at 14. Oh, do you guys have video of that? That's too funny. That was like that time when Jay missed a snook and I threw in right after him and I got it. Love it when that happens. Can't wait to see it.
A little fry in the water right here.
It's funny. Oh, God.
See, look at that. I made forecast and there's not a weed on it.
Oh, nice. Lily and Cole, we got, hold on, let me find it. It's hooked to me. We got microphones. Little microphones. So Jay has one on him. That's probably how you hear him so well. What's up, Delaney? What's up, Patty? How are you?
It's raining a little bit on us right now.
Yep, sprinkling. Yeah, I can't wait to download this video so I can see what it sounds like. I'm trying not to talk over him if he starts talking. There's so many turtles in here. All you see is little heads sticking up. 58, not bad for Virginia. It was like 80. Like 80 degrees here today. It's warm. I'm okay. Just found out my daughter has cancer, but other than that, I'm okay. Oh, I'm so sorry, Patty. Oh, good, Lily. I'm glad it's working. If it gets too far away, though, it might not work so well. Trying to keep up with him again. Dragging my chair around. Oh man, that's terrible, Patty. I'm so sorry.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna change up on this.
Oh my goodness.
Well, both.
Hey, will you bring that bag? Yeah. Well, the good thing about Alabama, it actually provides lots of beautiful freshwater ponds and big giant lakes. And it also, if you head south, you're at the Gulf of Mexico. So that's the beautiful part about Alabama. In